Welcome to the Animal Science Study Program, Faculty of Agriculture, Universitas Belas Maret, UNS. The Animal Science Study Program was established in 1998. The Animal Science Study Program seeks to carry out the vision and mission in line with the vision and mission of Faculty of Agriculture, also Universitas Belas Maret, in the implementation of three principles of higher education: our education, research, and community services. Our vision. Study program of animal science is the education institutions and development of science technology in an integrated and sustainable farming. Our mission. 1. Conducting educational in the animal science fields to produce graduates who are competent and devoted. 2. Conducting research to develop science technology that is useful for the development of animal science. 3. Held to dedication to the community to implement and disseminate the science technology. Study program of animal science consists of 5 laboratories, namely 1. Laboratory Animal Nutrition and Feed. 2. Laboratory Animal Production. 3. Laboratory Animal Product Processing Industry. 4. Laboratory Socio-Economic of Livestock. 5. Laboratory Animal Science Field Studies. 1. Laboratory of Animal Nutrition and Feed. This laboratory is used to analyze the nutritional content of feed ingredients, rations, and other test samples. The laboratory is divided into 2 rooms. The first room is an analysis room that also stores tools and materials. This laboratory is equipped with a fume hood to protect students from the danger of inhalation of toxic gases during the testing process. There are a water bath, syringes, and pistons that students use for gas test analysis. Practical or research activities to analyze the nutritional content of animal feed are carried out here. Supporting analysis equipment are also available in the lab, such as distillatory for crude protein analysis, ADF analysis instruments for cellulose and lignin analysis, and spectrophotometers for ammonia concentration analysis. The laboratory has many chemical solutions stored in a closed cabinet under the table equipped with a warning symbol. There is a centrifuge for the separation of samples equipped with a clear procedure of using the tool. In the second room is a teaching room used for the process of providing practice materials, assistant meetings, and practicum or research consultations. This room also used by laboratory assistants to conduct practical demonstrations on the procedures for carrying out activities. In addition, there are facilities related to work safety such as eye wash, sunboots, first aid kits, helmets, and fire extinguishers equipped with their usage procedures. There is also furnace that is equipped with instructions for their use. This room equipped with whiteboard, refrigerator for storing student research samples, then 2 tables with a few chairs and sinks. Laboratory equipment such as Erlenmeyer, beaker glass, measuring cups, pipettes, and others are neatly stored in glass cabinet. 2. Laboratory of Animal Production. Now we are heading to the Animal Production Laboratory. This laboratory supports practice and research activities. There are 2 rooms in this laboratory. The first room is the main room equipped with 2 large laboratory tables and several chairs. In this room, students can conduct research activities or carry out the learning process accompanied by laboratory assistants. Students will be given a guidebook for the practice and supporting tools such as microscopes. This laboratory also equipped with occupational safety and health equipment such as fire extinguishers, eye wash, first aid kit for accidents, and others. We complete each equipment with instruction so students can understand how to use it. The second room is a biomolecular space intended for activities related to the analysis or study of life on the molecular scale. Students who carry out activities are also equipped with lab coats, glasses, and masks by lab work procedures. In this room, there are several supporting tools such as PCR tool, electrophoresis tool, and other tools for biomolecular activities. Other tools for DNA or RNA extraction are laminar airflow, centrifuge, spin-down, micropipette tape, and vortex. 3. Laboratory of Animal Product Processing Industry. This laboratory is used for activities related to the processing of livestock products and their analysis so that they pay great attention to hygienic working procedures. Students need to wear gloves, masks, and lab coat. This laboratory provides services for student practical work and research activities. Students can carry out the practice, discussion, and learning activities accompanied by lab assistants. This laboratory is divided into 2 parts, which include sections related to food and non-food, which the tables, sinks, refrigerators, and freezers have their labels. This laboratory also has several chemicals that are neatly arranged on the cabinet and equipped with warning symbols. In addition, this laboratory also has activity support tools such as laminar airflow, autoclave to sterilize lab equipment, oven, incubator that are equipped with its use procedures, water bath to incubate samples in water at constant temperatures, and texture analyzers that are also equipped with the use procedures. The laboratory also has other tools such as Oldenmayer, beaker glass, pipettes, and others stored in glass cabinets. Other support equipment also available in this lab such as plates, glasses, mixers, blenders, and others that are neatly arranged on shelves and cabinets. In addition to the completeness of the equipment, this lab also provides instruction and labels so students can easily understand how to use it. There are facilities related to work safety such as eye wash, sun boots, first aid kit, helmets, and fire extinguisher equipped with a procedure. Tables for food are always covered with protective plastic for hygienic. There is also gas oven and air conditioning as completeness in this lab. 4. Laboratory of Socioeconomics of Livestock. Now, we move to the Socioeconomic of Livestock Laboratory. From the entrance, we can easily find a Standard Operational Procedure Chart (SOP chart). The students can find and follow it easily either to borrow a room or for the practical things. In this laboratory, students are expected to be directly involved to provide counseling and community empowerment. In this laboratory, students are facilitated by a meeting room to support the practice. Students can conduct discussions, presentations, and learn in this room related to social, economic, and livestock business. Facilities in the meeting room include a projector screen, LCD, meeting table and chairs, and completed by the air conditioner. 5. Laboratory of Animal Science Field Studies. This place supports practicum and student research activities. There are 2 co-pens with a capacity of approximately 20 cows per pen. We have the tail-to-tail type of cage to make it easier for students to carry out feeding activities, practicum and research. Students will be trained to do practical work in cages, such as cleaning the cages and feeding livestock. Students are always asked to wear field work clothes complete with boots to protect themselves. There is also a procedure for using this experimental farm. In addition, there is also a first aid kit as a work safety equipment. In this lab, fertilizer production also carried out from cow dung that has been collected and then processed and shipped into dry organic fertilizer. This fertilizer will be marketed to several places for sale. The students' farm fertilizer product is called Rojokoyo, which has 2 sizes, namely small 5 kilograms and large 20 kilograms. Dry hay feed is also available in this lab. We also have a closed house boiler farm as a teaching farm. This closed house was built in collaboration with Sarun Pokpan, Indonesia, equipped with blowers and automatic feed and drain with a capacity of 20,000 chickens. It is expected that from this, students will be closer and understand the world of broiler farming industry in Indonesia so that students are more ready after graduation. These cages built by existing standards, they are environmentally friendly and adapted to the available land. This cage is equipped with a cage conditional regulation system to create a suitable and comfortable atmosphere for chickens. There are air inlet and outlet settings to adjust the desired humidity. A system designed in such a way as to simplify maintenance and produce maximum production. The management of the farm itself is fully supported by Sharon Pokpan Indonesia and run by several UNS staff and is ready to accept internship students.